The quick-witted, initiative crab born on this day is emotionally approachable and generally responds to problems with helpful solutions. Your psychic-like intuitions help you anticipate negative eventualities and prevent them from happening. Although sensitive to most things going on around you, your rationality keeps you from over-dramatizing situations. You enjoy talking about your feelings and ideas, and you encourage others to share theirs with you. You possess a mentality that combines curiosity with a prodigious memory, making you an excellent student and teacher. More than anything else, those with birthdays on June 30 want to find satisfying ways to fulfill their creative potential. Typically, this combination of intellect and imagination produces individuals with writing ability and artistic talent. The media and the performing art are your most obvious career choices. When business problems arise, you have an instinctive understanding of what needs to be done and what is the best way to go about doing it. You are likely to find success in areas relating to the dissemination of ideas such as the media, advertising, publishing, and travel. In financial matters, you like taking risk, and Cancer's shrewdness with money usually protects you from foolhardy mistakes. In your personal relationship, you are more relaxed than most crabs. Socially, you are outgoing, charming, and personable. However, you are also subject to Cancer's mood swings. When real life doesn't live up to your romantic view of how things ought to be, you can become dependent or depressed.